We know there are those who will seize 30 June as an opportunity, not too much, but to plunge our province back into the conflict we lived through in 2021. We see them, we know them, we know their intentions are not the concerns of ordinary citizens, but the appetite of forces of darkness who feed on chaos and profit from anarchy. That is why we are working hand in glove with the South African Police Service to ensure there is no room for opportunism, no gap for criminality to exploit, and no chance for anyone to undo the painstaking work this province has done to rise from the ashes of that anarchy. This is a defining period in our province's history, and history will remember who acted with honor and who chose to play with fire. I call on every political party, every leader, every public representative, act responsible.